Welcome to Excel Logic Pro. Today I will teach you how to use RANDBETWEEN function. RANDBETWEEN function is categorized under Excel mathematics and trigonometry function. The function will return a random integer number between the user specified numbers. So, for example, when I want to enter number randomly in this cell, the formula which is used is RANDBETWEEN function. So, for example, I want to enter random number in this cell, random number from 10 up to 100, up to 100. So, in order to do so, I have to use the RANDBETWEEN function. So RANDBETWEEN function, RANDBETWEEN, it will return a random integer number every time the worksheet is opened or calculated. So wherever and whenever you type or you calculate some data in your Excel, or whether you click anywhere, the data will change randomly in this cell. Let me start. First, highlight your range which you want this interval of numbers to enter. So, for example, I wanted to enter random number between 10 and 100 in this range from G2 up to P30. After highlighting your range, click equal. Click equal. For example, as you see, I have highlighted all these ranges, then click equal, then write RANDBETWEEN, open bracket. I want to enter random number in these cells between 10 and 100. After writing your range, as you can see in the formula, hold the control key and press enter. So hold the control key and press enter simultaneously. Yes, as you can see, now I have done with the RANDBETWEEN function. So when you see this wave, this one is between 10 up to 100. All this data is between 10 up to 100. For example, when I want to change this data, all these changes, as you can see, they change. That's why you say it will return a random integer number every time the worksheet is opened or calculated. So even if you change only one data, all these data in this cell will change. So in order to avoid this random change of data, after using your RANDBETWEEN function, you have to copy and paste special. Yes, let me repeat this formula. So the first we say you have to highlight your range. After highlighting, click equal sign, then RANDBETWEEN, then open bracket, 10 up to 100, hold the Control key and press enter. Hold the control key and press enter. After that, highlight all your range, then copy. After copy, then paste special val. Paste special val like here. Then paste. So when I change, for example, I want to change this one, cannot change because after using the RANDBETWEEN function, I pasted a special val. So you can change any data without changing other values. This is how you can simply add number randomly in many cells at once. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share and comment.